Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the fundamental rights which are mentioned in part 3 of our constitution, that is from article 12 to 35. Basically article 12 is the definition, then article 13 is law inconsistent with or in derogation of fundamental rights. Then comes the right to equality. Right to equality is from article number 14 to article number 18. Okay, then article number 14 says, this is article number 14, it says equality before law and equal protection of law. Then article number 15 says prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth, equal access to shops, hotel, wells, tanks, bathing guard, roads, etc. Then article number 16 says equality of opportunity in public employment. Then article number 17 says abolition of untouchability, and article number 18 says abolition of titles. This is all about our right to equality. Then comes right to freedom. Right to freedom is mentioned from article 19 to 22. Okay, then article number 19 says protection of right to freedom of speech and expression, assemble peacefully, form associations, move freely throughout the territory of India, reside and settle in any part of India, practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. Then article number 20 says protection in respect of conviction for offense. Then article number 21 says right to life and personal liberty, protection of life and personal liberty. Article number 22 says free and compulsory education for children between the age of 6 to 14 years. Article number 22 says protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. This one is article number 21A. This is article number 22. Now right against exploitation. Right against exploitation. This is article number 23, and this is article number 24. Article number 23 says prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Human beings and forced labor. Article number 24 says prohibition of employment of children in hazardous jobs. Employment of children in hazardous jobs. Now comes the right to freedom of religion. This is right to freedom of religion. Article number 25 says freedom of conscience and free professional practice and propagation of religion. Article number 26. This is article number 26, freedom to manage religious affairs. Then article number 27. Article number 27 says, this is article number 27. Okay, freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Then article number 28 says freedom as to attend religious instruction or religious worship in educational institution wholly maintained by the state. Now comes cultural and educational rights. Okay, article number 29. This is article number 29, and this is article number 30. Article number 29 says protection of language culture of minorities. This is for protection of interest of minorities to conserve their language, script and culture. And this is article number 30. This one is article number 30. Article number 30 says for minorities to establish and administer educational institutions of their choices. Now last one is right to constitutional remedies. This is article number 32. This is also called the heart and soul of our Indian constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, so what it says, right to move the court to issue directions, orders or writs for enforcement of rights. Here you can see by assurance of directors, orders, writs by the Supreme Court and High Court for enforcement of these fundamental rights. So this was all about the fundamental rights. And one more thing I want to tell you, article number sorry Constitutional Amendment Act, the 44th Constitution Amendment Act of 1978. The this one, 44th Amendment Act, 44th Amendment of 1978 abolished the right to property as a fundamental right by repealing Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause F, and Article 31 from Part 3. The Act inserted a new Article 300A 300A in Part 12 under right to property. Okay, so this was all about the fundamental rights. We have discussed all the fundamental rights, and what is left is article number 33, 34, and 35. Article 33 says Article number 33 says power of parliament to modify the rights conferred by this part in their application to forces. And article number 34 says restriction on rights conferred by this part while martial law is in force in any area. And article number 35 says legislation to give effect to the provisions of this part. Okay, so this was all about the fundamental rights. If you liked the video, then please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.